Hi, welcome back to HIWIN Scara Robot Tutorial 5. Today, we will discuss the TCP/IP protocol. The protocol is known as the socket command in the industry. This protocol uses a client-server architecture. In the previous generation, we need to decode each character in the ASCII table to understand the whole word. Now it is more straightforward since we can use the string function in the Caterpillar software. This is the connection. It required an Ethernet cable to connect between the robot controller and the TCP/IP client. We do prefer Cat6 or above cable for a stable connection. In this case, we will use a simulator, PuTTY, to send the command to the robot to execute different tasks based on the given command. Following are the setup steps and functions we will be using in the program. First, we need to initiate the communication by copen, then move to the original position. After that, the robot will read string commands such as home, pick, or place for the action. Finally, if the robot completes the task without errors, it will send feedback to the client. Let's start the program and observe the movement. Please make sure the IP address and port number are correct. Take note of the curly bracket. It is the format in this example. It tells the robot where to start and stop taking the input string. Key in pick, it will go to pick position. Key in place, it will go to place position. Very simple, right? The sample code can be downloaded in the description below. In the following video, we will discuss position indexing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.